The daily webinar formula, live versus automated. So by now you understand why webinars outperform traditional sales calls. But the next big question is, how often should you run them? Once a week? Every day? Should they be live or automated? Well, most creators and agency owners either run one webinar per week and burn out, or they jump straight to automation and wonder why their results dropped. Well, the problem, they don't have a repeatable system that balances consistency, energy, and results. But here is the opportunity. You can build a daily webinar engine that fits your schedule, builds trust, and brings in leads on autopilot, even if only 5 people show up each day. In the resources section, you will find proven webinar templates and automations along with other useful links. So let's now see how to build a high converting daily webinar engine and decide when to go live, when to automate, and how to scale smart. Step 1. You start live every day. Yes, you heard me right. Every day. Live webinars outperform automated ones at the beginning. Why? Because you improve with every session. You build real time trust and connection, can pivot or answer objections on the spot. Start with 4 webinars per week, Monday through Thursday. Use the same content, same script, and same funnel. Just bring the energy every night. Think of it like performing a hit song, same set, new audience. Reps is equal to mastery. Step 2. You collapse time using daily ad spend. Instead of spending $1,000 a week and waiting for results, spend $150 to $200 a day. Fill tonight's webinar. Convert leads. Sorry. Okay. So you spend $150 to $200 a day. Fill tonight's webinar. Convert leads fast. This creates urgency. Register today. Attend tonight. Higher show up rates. Faster validation of your offer. You can use tools like Go High Level's calendar plus pipeline system to track every step. Add, opt in, show up, convert. Done. Step 3. You automate what's proven. Once your live webinar consistently converts, move to automation. Record your best live version. Add it to a 24/7 evergreen funnel. Use tools like Go High Level again to trigger follow-ups, reminders, and upsell workflows. Keep hosting one live webinar per week to maintain connection and optimizing the funnel. Everything else runs on autopilot. Step 4. Structure the tech flow. Funnel page, webinar registration. Workflow, email, SMS reminders, webinar delivery, Zoom live or video embed. CTS, buy now or book onboarding call. Post webinar automation, replay, upsell, reschedule, no shows, and so on. All built inside Go High Level. No other tool is needed at all. So now you don't need to wait a month to make your offer. You don't need to guess what's working. You need a daily system that brings your reps, feedback, conversions, and confidence. This is how we go from 0 to 100 plus clients in 90 days, one daily webinar at a time. Your action plan? Download the daily webinar planner PDF from the resources along with several other links that are going to help you a lot. This is your moment. You're not chasing leads anymore. You're building a predictable recurring machine. Let's go. Build it. One webinar at a time.